The moon is back. Oh, it was covered by the clouds earlier. See, it's so beautiful and bigger now. It's more brighter though than before. It's already past 4 a.m. This is the 12th of May, 2025. Earlier on, I said the moon was created before the sun, and the moon is the eye of God, and also the sun is the eye of God. Yeah, you see, it's so fine, so beautiful. And there are lots of angels around it. Angels are around the moon. This is the full moon part two. Part two of the full moon.